After creating the bills, you can manage the bills from manage bills. This is the operator login. Okay, in operator login, if you come to manage bill, so you will see all the bills which are created. Okay, you can search any bills by any field number from here. So suppose if you search this, so it will be searched based on bill number. Okay, if you search based on the buyer name, then also it will, as there is the buyer is same, so no output is showing specifically. This is the drop down, you can filter out. Okay, so there are three type of bills. First one is fresh bill, second one is recreated bills, and the third one is cancelled bill. I will discuss this everyone. uh, So from billing area, the bills which are created, they are actually phrase bills. Okay, after creating a phrase bill, let's suppose you this user want to return some item. Okay, so after returning some item and adding some new item, he will get another bill which is a recreated bill. Okay, so that will be a recreated bill, and this bill will be select as cancel bill. Okay, I will show everything in practical. So let's go step by one, step by step. First one is payment. Okay, payment details. This is the bill details. Okay, this is the installment details. You can see the remaining amount is 7,100. Suppose this user want to payment more 5,000 rupees. Okay, the installation status, let's, it is still pending, so uh, ignore this. 8,000, and if you save this, bill details updated successfully, you can see that the remaining amount has updated. Okay, if you again come here, you can see that in installation details another is added. Okay, and the remaining is 2,100. If you enter 2,100 here, this bill will be completed. Okay, if you come here, you can see that there is no remaining amount. That's why there is no input field available from where you can enter a number of values. Okay, so this is the, in this way you can update the billing details based on requirement. Fine, you can also update the installation status. Fine, so this is payment. Let's this is the details part. Okay, here the also installation details is available, the everything is available here. You can print, save as PDF or sub from here also. And this is the direct download PDF. So if you click this, suppose download this. Okay, so this bill will be created, and you can see this is a fresh bill. Let's recreate a bill. Fine, let's click here, and suppose he want to return one pipe. Okay, he want to return one pipe and want to buy another pipe which is of 20 feet. So it will select this one, and return quantity is 1. Select return, go to next. Okay, so this is the return quantity, and suppose he want to buy another 20 feet 1 inch or 20 feet 2 inch pipe. Okay, so you can see 12 is available, so just click here. Fine, click here, and suppose you want 3 pipes, another pipe, let's take 20 into 10 into 3. Okay, this 2. Okay, so he is returning this item and buying this 2 items. So a new bill will be generated for this updation, and the old bill will be marked as cancel bill. So just save it, and you can see this is a recreated bill with the same details. If you come to the details, you can see that the values are updated. Okay, the payment is the previous one, and rest are the same. Fine. If you also come here, you can now see there is a input box for paying amount. As you have we just enter new items, so this is the remaining amount we have to pay this. Okay, so this is a recreated bill. Now if you go to the cancel bill, so this is the cancel bill which was previously there of this amount. If you go to details, you can see this is the previous bill. Okay, so this is the concept of cancel bill, recreated bill, and fresh bill. If you go to all bill, you can see all the bills, and initially it was fresh and recreated bill. Okay, so in this way the payment works, the return works. Okay, the detail and the download works. So this is the all about manage bills from the operator login.